Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by opening Pages and picking a template that matches your goal. Choose blank for full control or a design template to save time. Make sure iCloud is enabled so your work auto-saves. Once done, connect a keyboard or Apple Pencil to speed typing and annotations. Tap the plus button to create the document, name it immediately, then locate the document in Recents or iCloud Drive so you can reopen quickly and continue editing without delay. Now focus on structure. Select text and use the Format panel to apply styles, fonts, sizes, and paragraph spacing so your layout remains consistent. Insert images, shapes, tables, and charts from the plus menu. Drag to resize and use alignment guides to snap elements precisely. For long documents, add sections and configure headers and footers to keep numbering and titles consistent. Once formatted, apply paragraph styles so later global changes are fast. This makes revisions and export clean and finish by exporting or sharing. Tap the three dots, choose Share, then pick PDF, Word, or EPUB depending on the recipient. Invite collaborators by email or link and set view or edit permissions. Make sure to communicate which version is final. When printing, use AirPrint or export a PDF for compatibility. If something goes wrong, sync stalls or changes disappear. Check iCloud storage, sign-in status, and Wi-Fi. Force quit Pages and reopen to trigger a fresh sync and recover the latest saved copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.